Hello everyone, how to solve this integral question? Integral of square root 1 plus sin x dx. Here is upper limit is 5 by 2 and this is 0. So first of all, I can say integral of here is pi over 2 and this is 0 and this is square root 1. We know that the trigonometric rules sin square theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. If I follow these rules, I can say here is 1 is equal to sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Look, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, it will be 1. Then we know that the trigonometric rules sin x, it will be 2 sin x cos x, but here is x, so I can say it will be sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. Then I can say it will be integral of, here is upper limit is pi by 2 and lower limit is 0 and square root. Look, if you think it is a, it is v, so I can see easily a square plus b square plus 2ab. It will be a plus b whole square. So according to these rules, I can say it will be sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 bracket power is 2 dx. Then I can say here is square root is cancelled. We'll find out here is integral of sin x over 2 plus cos x over 2 dx. We know that square root a minus b whole square, it will be a minus b. Then I can see easily integral of sin x by 2, it will be minus cos x by 2 over, here is x by 2, it will be 1 over 2 and plus cos x by 2, it will be sin x by 2 over half, and here is upper limit is 5 by 2 and here is 0. Then I can say it will be minus cos x by 2, here is 1 over 2. So if I reverse this time, I can say minus 2 cos x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 bracket, here is pi over 2, this is 0. Now I put on this both below, so I can say here is, now I can see here is minus 2, this is 2, so I can say 2 is common, so it will be minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket pi over 2 and this is 0. Now it will be 2 times minus cos this pi by 2 over this 2 and here is plus sin this pi by 2 over this 2 and again minus, it will be 0, so minus minus it will be plus cos 0 and here is minus, because of that this is plus, so plus minus it will be minus sin 0. Then it will be 2 times minus cos, it will be pi by 4, because of that 2 times 2 it will be 4 plus sin pi by 4 plus cos 0 it will be 1 and sin 0 it will be 0. Then I can say it will be 2 times, you know that cos 45 degree it will be 1 over square root 2 and sin 45 degree it also 1 over square root 2 and this is plus and this is 0. Then I can say this cancel, so it will be 2 times, here is 1, so I can say 2 times 1, it will be 2. So our final answer is 2.